Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DigitalOcean for cloud hosting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with DigitalOcean for cloud hosting, begin by creating an account. Visit the DigitalOcean website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address and choose a secure password. After signing up, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your DigitalOcean account. Next, you will need to add a payment method. Navigate to the billing section in your account settings. Enter your credit card information or select another payment option provided. After setting up billing, go to the Droplets section. A droplet is a virtual private server on DigitalOcean. Click the Create Droplet button to begin configuration. Choose an operating system for your droplet. Options include Ubuntu, CentOS, and Debian among others. Select the version that best fits your needs. Next, choose a plan based on the resources you require. DigitalOcean offers standard plans or optimized plans for specific applications. Select the data center region closest to where your users will be. This helps ensure better performance and lower latency. Then, configure the additional options if necessary. You can enable backups, monitoring, and other features here. Next, add your SSH keys for secure access to your droplet. If you don't have one, create an SSH key on your local machine. Copy and paste the public key into the designated field in DigitalOcean. After completing your configuration, click the Create Droplet button. Your droplet will take a few moments to get set up. Once it's ready, you will see an IP address displayed. Use this IP address to connect to your droplet. Open your terminal or command prompt to initiate a connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.